So
Okay, that's
Oh,
it.
there it goes. Enough?
Yeah, we're good.
so
Just read the song.
Just read
read the
softball.
announcement. Okay. The new softball coach will have an open workout for interested softball players on Thursday, June 4th, from 4 to 5:30. You must have all paperwork turned in before you can attend. If you have any questions, see Mr. Hilton. And now for Miss Eister.
Good morning, Northwest. I have just a few reminders for you. Teachers, this is just a reminder for you that for the remainder of the year, we will only have the 9 o'clock bell and then the dismissal bell at the end of the day. So you want to use the clocks on your computers as your dismissal and start time. So please make sure you're paying attention to those times and dismissing students according to the schedule provided to you by Mr. Marshall. A couple of reminders for students. While you may not be testing on a certain day, there are a lot of students in our building testing each day. For example, we have a bunch of students testing today in all of our buildings. So particularly those of you who are in the 7th grade, as you're changing classes, know that there are people in classrooms inside the 7th grade building that are doing testing today. So we need you to be on your best behaviors in the hallway, listening to your teachers, taking their direction so that you're not disturbing somebody else while they're testing. Just remember that just because you don't have a test on a particular day doesn't mean that there's not another group of kids that are taking a really important test. The other thing I want to remind students about is that, for the rest of the year, our school rules and our student handbook applies every day, all the way through, including the last day of school. So, for example, things like dress code. The dress code is the same all the way through, including the last day of school. Please don't be that student who does not get to participate in fun activities on the last day of school because you decided to wear something inappropriate on the last day. There will still be consequences for things that don't follow our rules and guidelines all the way up through the last day of school. So make sure that you don't start your summer on a bad note by making a bad decision. Let's make really good decisions all the way through for the remainder of the school year. Also, just a reminder that we will have more testing for almost every student again tomorrow. So make sure you get a good night's sleep, you eat a good breakfast for tomorrow, and you're ready to go. And up next, we have one more of Mr. Trump's videos of some of your awesome teachers inspiring you to do great on your EOGs this week.
It might seem